In this video, we look at a few different content management functions in Drupal. In this first example, we're going to take a look at what the menu looks like for an admin user and compare that with the menu for, say, a content manager. The first page we see is the dashboard. The dashboard can contain a whole load of useful links to the most frequently used content management functions. As you'd expect, admin users see more menu options than other users might. An example might be the modules menu, which shows you what modules have been installed into your particular installation. Content managers, on the other hand, as you can see here, only really need to see the menu items that are really most applicable to them. That would be to add content, maybe could configure menus, to maybe download some reports, or to add items into taxonomies. Now I'm going to edit this FAQ page to change the order of some of the questions. When I go and look at that page, you can see that I've got all of my content grouped into tags so that it's really easy to be able to go and find the section that I want to edit on that page. I'll go to the actual content, the FAQs, drag the one that I want up to the top, save that, and then I'll be able to see the resulting order on my live page. On sites which have multi-site functionality, i.e. where you've maybe got two very similar sites managed under different domains, it might be useful to be able to clone pages and then to be able to kind of target that page to another domain. Again, you can see I've got all of my content ordered neatly under tabs. I can go in and make the changes to the content I want and then scroll down to find the domain that I need to and then apply the content to that particular domain. What you'll notice is also when I clone a page, it inherits all the characteristics of the page that I'm cloning, i.e. the tags and so on and so forth, and I can go in and add new related content to those pages. Translating content on multi-language sites follows a very similar process. I simply go to the page that I want to translate and then decide what language I want to target it to, at which point the page is cloned and I can make my amends as relevant. Given that the page that I've just cloned to be translated is in French, when I save that page, the content management system is going to take me back to the French section of the site. I've got a news story here about some wine tasting, but unfortunately it seems to have the wrong picture on it and the wrong gallery. So I need to change the picture to have one of our customers drinking some wine, and I need to change the gallery from one of the New Zealand All Blacks to one of the actual wine event that the news story is covering. So I edit that page and scroll down to where the media is selected, and then select the particular picture that I want to change. You see I could upload a new picture from my file system, but I can also browse all of the pictures that I've currently got in my content management system, select the picture I want and apply it to that area. If I want to select a new gallery, I'm just going to type in W, and that's going to pull up any gallery that has W in it, and you can see the first one that comes up is the actual wine gallery that I want. I select that and save that, and when I go back to the page you'll see that I've got the picture that I want and also the gallery that I want. You'll notice some broken images there. This is because I'm running this off a test server which just has test content on it. I now want to show you how easy it is to edit a form. So I have web forms under my content menu option. I'm going to go to this form here. I need to add the middle name in between the first name and the last name. So I type the name of my new box. I need it to be a text area, which is a default selected, and I just drag and drop it up to the area that I want it to appear at in that form, and then click save. In this example, I've got a product which is appearing in the wrong section. I've got some gift vouchers which for some reason are appearing underneath a retainers section on my jewellery website, and I need to shift it into the gift vouchers selection. So I go to that product, click on the edit button, and then scroll down to where the product is categorized, and then save that, and then you'll see that it actually appears in the right section. Finally, I'd like to work out who can edit this news page. Drupal has a very granular permissions structure, but it can sometimes be difficult to remember who has permission to do what. So if I go to a particular page and I don't know who can see it, I can just click on the permissions tab, and then it will give me a breakdown of who's able to see and edit that page, and I can also change the permissions for that particular page from that point.